Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. I am in downtown Las Vegas, Nevada, and I am at the Las Vegas Sign Museum. This museum is filled with all types of signs, neon signs from days gone by. The side of this sign museum is at the old La Concha Hotel. They have changed it from a hotel to a sign museum, and we're going to walk around and look at some of these signs. You get to come with me, and we'll get started right after this station identification. Here is Elvis's star on the Walk of Fame. This giant guitar sign was from the Hard Rock Cafe that opened on the Vegas Strip in 1990. This sign with the 1905 is from the Golden Nugget Casino. It was one of the first back when it was just a little dusty road. There are neon tubes in this as well as bulbs. This sign here is from the Moulin Rouge from around May the 24th, 1955. This was one of the first integrated casinos in this city. Prior to that, blacks and white were not allowed to be in the same casinos at the same time. So this was the hotel that broke the ground. Still more signs from the Golden Nugget. This next sign is from Binion's Horseshoe. This sign is from Binion's. Started around 1961. However, this sign is from Binion's. It started around 1951. However, this sign itself is from around 1981. Now, I'm not going to take the time to count it, but all these light bulbs come to about 30,000 light bulbs. That's in all its signage, which would be these little pieces that's around it. Neon tubing, over 8 miles of neon tubing. A bit of historic trivia for you. When Binion's opened, he was one of the first to put carpet in his casino, and also one of the first to serve free drinks as comps for gambling. So this sign is from around 1987. Fitzgerald's. Fitzgerald's was one of the first black-owned casinos in Las Vegas. This sign is from the Sassy Sally's Casino. It is very huge. I'll show you something that a lot of folks walk by and never notice. That on the back side of the sign, there's wire mesh, because this was mounted on a pole or a scaffold. That wire mesh kept birds from roosting behind it and destroying the sign. The Yucca Motel, around 1950s. It has been restored with new neon tubing in 2017. On the top of the Yucca sign, all of that neon tubing, every bit of that was crafted by hand. This is from the Nevada Motel. Atop is Vegas Vic. It's from the he was created in the 1940s. This sign is from the 1950s. Vegas Vic was created by the Las Vegas Chamber of Commerce to promote the city in around 1947. Is the chief hotel court. There is a vacancy, and if you look below, steamed heat. I guess that was important out in the desert in the 40s. Now there is all kinds of other neon signs lying all about. We don't have the history on those because this is a collection, and a rather large collection at that. It's from one from the Jackpot Hotel. This sign here I see on a lot of gas stations around Las Vegas. Gas stations by the name of Cheraw. This huge figure of a pool player is made by welding together little tiny plates. You can see them. And you can see the person that created it, J.D. Pendergrass, in 1985. Tropicana Mobile Park. Oh, lots of signs. Look at this skull laying down on its back. This giant skull laying down is from the casino Treasure Island from around 1993 to 2003. This feather here is from the Flamingo. It's Las Vegas Casino, Fox Mode, the Fox Modern Laundry and Cleaners. Jerry's. Time to swing to the standard wholesale supply. It's from the Stardust. This was the tallest sign in the world in 1968. This is from the Aladdin. Elvis Presley married Priscilla Ballou in the guest room in the Aladdin in 1967. This sign on the top is from the Riviera. It opened on the northern end of the strip in 1955. This was the first high-rise hotel on Las Vegas Boulevard. This is from the Sahara Casino. As huge as this thing is, this is a smaller version. This version is the same size as the camel that is on the sign now. Hope you have enjoyed our trip to the Neon Sign Museum. There are a lot of cool signs here, and when they're lit up at night, it's even more cool. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day.